Hi guys, here's Epa Eric. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to apply transitions on your music, videos, or footages on the timeline in Premiere. Please, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. And not just subscribe, turn on the notification bell in order not to miss my upcoming videos. Please, without wasting time, what am I saying, please? Without wasting time, let's get started. Here we are on Adobe Premiere. So the first thing I need to do here is to import your files. We'll click on, so we are going to delete this stuff. We want to import files. I'll save some file on my desktop for testing purposes. So the name of the folder is KKL. It's KKL. I'm going to import this and this. Then click on open. Our folder is being imported. Need to wait. Our folders have been imported. Our files have been imported, not folders. This is our files that have been imported here. So we need to put all of them in the timeline. Control all. Disable the bin. Control all. Without the bin. Then carry all of them. We drop it in the timeline. So all the files here already imported on the timeline. So the first thing that we need to do here, I need to mute it because it's not important. We need only the visuals. So this is one footage, and this another footage, and this another footage, this another footage. So I want to set transition between this footage and this footage, this footage and this footage, and this footage with this footage. So the first step in applying transition is to do what? We go to effects here. Then we look for video transitions. These are transitions that are built inside Premiere Pro. They're actually free. So go there, go down. There's what they call 3D motion transition. With inside the folder there's cube spin, there's flipovers. So we'll first try to apply a transition between two videos. As example, this one and this one. We drag the transition. So we right click on the transition. We continue holding the left mouse. Then we drop it at the middle of the two footages that we want to apply the transition. So let's play back. That's a cube spin. As you guys can see, that's what they call the cube spin. Check it out. See, that's what they call the cube spin. cube spin. See the transition between this footage and that footage. See, yeah. So we are going to undo. Well, we want to go back in time. If we made a mistake or an error, we want to go back in time. We come here and click on undo any change. Undo any change means to delete any change that you have done presently on that video or any footage. Yeah. So we'll try with the next transition, which is a flip over. We'll drag and drop it at the middle. Don't forget it's a transition, so we need to drop it at the middle. So let's check it. Yeah, see that it flips over to the next frame, to the next footage. Check this out. Flips over. Yeah. The next transition that we'll see, we'll go to the dissolve folder. We'll see a couple of transitions inside. That's what they call additive dissolve transition. You drag it, put it at the middle, and check it out. Yeah, check it out. I see. Do you see what happened? So it dissolves. It dissolves the frame. It's a transition. Pretty cool, man. Pretty cool, man. Like that. Next is the cross dissolve. Cross dissolve, simple as that. Drag and drop. Everything here is drag and drop, eh? Everything here is drag and drop. Need to drag and drop effects. Here we're on the cross dissolve. I see. Cross dissolve. It's a very nice effect, eh? You can do it by your own, only for fancy. So as to be a professional in transitions. It's very nice. Transitions helps a lot. If you really know how to use transitions, you are going to go very far. For the sake of time, we'll jump all of that. You guys will try it at your leisure time. We'll go to immersive video. An immersive video, there are chroma leaks, gradient wipes, iris wipes, light leaks, light rays, Mobius zoom, random blocks, spherical blur. For this transition, you need to have a graphic card that is very strong and a high RAM, because this does consume the RAM and the graphic card, in which in this machine I don't have a very strong graphic card. So we shall jump over to the iris folder, where we'll have the iris box, iris cross, iris diamond, iris round. Let's try with the iris box and see. Drag, then you drop it at the middle. Yeah, okay. See, that's iris drop. See what happened? Pretty cool, right? I don't mind, I'm a very funny boy. To go back, you press undo. Yeah, the transition is gone. Let's try with the iris round. Put it here in the middle. Okay. See what happens. See that? It's pretty cool transition, man. Pretty cool. I like this transition. Very nice. See? Wow. Go back. The next transition is the page peel. I don't really use what I'm not saying. For real, I don't use these transitions, but I'm going to show you the transitions that I use frequently. Yeah. Let's try with a page peel. Drag, drop it in the middle. Okay. See. So it peels just like a page of a book, man. Wow. Whip. Wow. Just flip the tea over. Just peel as if you're peeling banana. See, very cool. It's a cool transition, but I don't usually use these ones. Only these transitions are good for presentations. These stuffs for videos. I don't actually use these transitions for videos. I'm going to show you the transitions I use anyhow. You guys should not be afraid of that. So page 10, you guys should try it at your leisure time. We'll go to slide. Inside slide, there's the band slide, there's the center speed, there's the push, there's a slide, there's a split. Can we just try the band slide? Just drag and drop. Okay. See, split the screen. See this transition? Very cool. Very cool. I like that. Wow. Very nice. I like that. Wow. So, Undo. Let's try the split transition. Yo. Okay. Check this out. Yo, this one is cool, eh? Sometimes I use this one. I use it like my last video that I done. I'm doing comedy. I done one video and I made this I applied this transition on it. Was pretty cool. It was nice. I really love the effect. If you want to see my channel about comedy, I'll link it in the description below. So please, you guys should check this out. It's very funny. If you want to make your day brighter or sweet, so check my comedy page, my comedy channel. Link in the description below. So we'll go back. We'll move the trees transition. The next transition is the wipe. Wipe, yeah, and inside the wipe there's the band wipe, there's the band door, there's the checker wipe, the checkerboard, the clock wipe, the gradient wipe, the insert, the painter splatter, the pen splatter, the pin wipe, the pin wheel. What am I saying? The pin wheel. There's the radial wipe, random blocks, random wipe, spiral blocks, Mediterranean blind, wedge wipe, zigzag block. Wow, that's pretty cool, eh? Let's try with the clock wipe. I usually use the clock wiper when the last time when I shot one of my friends she's doing cooking. She's actually a girl. She's doing cooking and applied this on her videos. It was pretty cool, eh? Pretty cool. Wipes like a clock. Clockwise. Wow. Check this out. Cool. So once you do the transition, the next we can go is the radial wipe. In fact, the radial wipe, I use the radial wipe every day, every single day. When I shoot a video, I must put radial wipe because radial wipe is the base. It's the base. That's what makes the video to be good. That one is for my taste, not for you. You can have your own taste. I love radial wipe. That's my best transition. This one, pretty cool. I like it. I like it. Wow, that's very cool. So Go back. There's the random wipe too. That's also cool. See? Very nice. I like that. I like that. Okay, go back in time. Try the Veterinarian blind. Pretty cool too. That's cool. Wow, that's cool. But I don't usually use this transition because the footages that I shoot, it's not always giving with this. It's not always matching with this transition. That's actually the problem. But I've seen other videos on YouTube that they use this transition, and it matches very well with their videos. Let's try with a wipe. Track here. Check this out. See, that's cool. That's very cool. Transition between one video to another. It's pretty cool, man. Go back in time. The zigzag blocks are something that I don't use, but I've seen others use that. It's cool. These transitions are free on Premiere Pro, man. If you have Premiere Pro, just go to Effects and go to Video Transitions. You'll see all of this. They're cool. We want to go back. There's another one, the last one, which is called the zoom. Yeah, there's one transition that is called the cross zoom. Drag and drop to check this out. Okay. Oh, zoom. Very nice. I like it. You zoom inside, then zoom out on the other video. That's pretty cool, man. That's a pretty cool transition. Okay guys, we have come to the end of our video. Please, if this video was helpful to you, please subscribe, and not just subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like this video, and please, if you can comment your best transition in this pack in Premiere Pro. Which transition do you use the most in Premiere Pro? You can tell me in the comment below, and I will make sure to answer your comment. So see you next time. Stay blessed.